Hi Leverage WP. I'm going to shoot a quick tutorial here on setting up Mailchimp from the very beginning and connecting it with a Divi email opt-in module that comes with a lot of the pre-designed layouts and is a module within the Divi builder. So let's take a look at my screen as I switch screens over here. You can see I'm just at Mailchimp.com right here. Oops. And just going to click one of the sign up buttons. And the first thing you want to do is click a free account. You can get up to 2,500 monthly sends and 2,500 people on the email list. I think it's 2,000 maximum on the email list. But I'm going to sign up here using a kind of dummy email address, one that actually does work, but then I'll just choose a password I'll remember and click sign up. Now, of course, they're going to want you to verify your email address, but we'll see if I can just get this set up without having to do that. It does say check your email and link to activate your account. So let me pause the video here and I'll do that. Okay, so I've clicked the activation button inside the email that I received, and I'll click continue free to continue setting up the account, and just put in, you can always change this later, optional phone number, and it looks like they're going to want an address, because it is a business thing, and when you send broadcast email, you do need to comply by the laws, which require a business address here. Doesn't really matter. Grow my list of email subscribers. Just getting started, you could say. That was just a fake. Let's see. How should we stay in touch? E-commerce, Mailchimp presents. Sure. You're on your way. Let's go. Okay. I'm going to go down here to bottom left under accounts. This is where you would find the API key and set one up. So it doesn't give you one off the bat, but under, again, your name and profile pic or profile letter under here at the bottom left, over under extras, you can click API keys. And now that's going to give you a place that you can create an API key, and you can create as many as you want. I'm just going to click create a key. And you get it right here. All you have to do is click right there and click Control-C to copy it. And then we're going to go over to a Divi site where I have the Divi builder running on a pre-designed layout here. I'm just going to go down to where I have a newsletter opt-in. Down here in the Divi builder, you can see I've got a section, a row, and within that row I have a few modules. This module that contains the email and the words join my newsletter, I can hit the module settings, and then I can go over to down to email account, and I can add the account name and the API key. It does say Mailchimp list right here. If I just say Mailchimp there, I would paste the API key in here and click submit. And there it is. This is where, if you came to this when it was blank, you could choose service provider. And of course, all these email opt-in and broadcast email services are available. But if you choose Mailchimp and then you put in the API key, it enables you to select a list. It did create one according to my business name. And then I would just select that one, and I could click the save button in the module. And now it's already all set. Anytime anyone enters their email in this newsletter form and hits subscribe, they'll be added to the Mailchimp list here under Audience All Contacts. And so right here, my email address as the owner is the first subscriber here. But say I were to go back and I need to go ahead and save the page first. Once that page is saved, I can exit the visual builder, and let's just give it a little test. As we go down to the bottom to the newsletter subscription, I could put in a different email and click subscribe. It says success. So if I go back to Mailchimp and refresh that list of audience members, all contacts, that shows that I've joined the list as a subscribed user right here. So that's all there is to it to set up Mailchimp, and you can use it for free up to 2,000 contacts and 2,500 emails per month that they let you do before you have to sign up for a paid account with Mailchimp. Of course, when you go above and beyond that, it's easy to export your entire list out to another service like the one I recommend, which is using FunnelKit and FunnelKit Automations within WordPress and Amazon Simple Email Service to get your cost down from, say, $80 or $100 a month with Mailchimp down to about $1, $1.50 a month, and grow it from there at a very slow rate. So there's a nice little tutorial for you, and I'll see you next time.